Okay, so you've got to put a PEX crimp ring on a pipe, but you've got your crimper here, but you can't squeeze it hard enough to crimp it properly because you just don't have the leverage, or it's in an odd space. This is how I did it. I'm old, I don't have much upper body strength to squeeze this thing in awkward positions. So I'm going to do it the smart way. I'm going to use a ratchet strap. So, alright, so my fitting is over here. You can't see it, but I'm going to go ahead and get my tool positioned on the pipe over top of the crimp ring and squeeze it just a little. Next, I'm going to get my ratchet strap and the hook. One end here on one end of the crimper and one end on the other side. And I'm going to pull up the slack. If I can. Alright, now it should just be a matter of ratcheting this crimping tool closed. It's getting snug, just what you expect. The tool is closing. Yeah, I could have spent $300 on a Milwaukee battery-powered crimping tool, but I'm not a professional, as you can tell. So, almost done. Okay. Tool's all the way closed. Now I can let my ratchet strap loose if I can. Snap that off. Open my crimping tool. And there. Crimp is complete. So, take it easy on yourself. Do it the easy way.